Hello and welcome back to the video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video, I'll show you all how to make a birthday magazine. So without wasting time, let's begin. So to begin with, I have made a 4-page magazine. That is a cover page, one back page, and obviously 2 inside pages. It is like just one flap, nothing more. So we'll see how to make this. To make the design of this magazine, I have used Canva. I have also put up a video on that before, like how to use Canva. So you can see that if you want to use it and make your creative designs. So yes, I've used Canva for this, and then I've made this magazine. You can see how I made it in 3, 2, and 1. Hello again. So I hope you like this idea, and yes, this is how I made the birthday magazine. Do try it at home and let me know how it went. And also, if you make one, then do send me your pictures at Instagram, or you can tag me in your stories or post, so that I can see your post, and if I like it, I'll surely repost it in my story. So, and here is the Insta ID. Do follow. And yes, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.